AI layoffs are rising fast as giants like Oracle invest heavily in automation. But which jobs are truly safe from AI takeover? The answer might surprise you. Despite AI's rapid advances, roles like lawyers and judges demand complex ethical judgment and critical thinking that machines cannot replicate. This makes the legal profession one of the least vulnerable to automation, as decisions hinge on nuanced human values and interpretations. Social work demands emotional intelligence and genuine human interaction. This role's core is empathy and understanding people's emotional needs, factors AI systems cannot authentically provide. As a result, social workers remain essential in maintaining societal well-being amid AI disruption. Gary Marcus, a leading AI skeptic, argues that fears about AI replacing jobs anytime soon are exaggerated. Despite tech CEOs' optimistic claims about automation, Marcus highlights current AI limitations, emphasizing that many professions require uniquely human skills that machines cannot duplicate. A 2024 Reuters/Nikkei survey found critical labor shortages in Japan are driving companies to integrate AI to maintain essential services. This suggests AI is more a tool to support overburdened workers rather than a wholesale job replacer, highlighting a nuanced impact on employment. Lord Stockwood, UK's Minister for Investment, recently floated universal basic income as a safety net for workers affected by AI-driven job changes. Meanwhile, the European Central Bank studied 5,000 Eurozone workers to understand AI's economic impact, indicating governments are preparing for significant shifts in the labor market. While AI replaces some jobs, it also fuels growth in sectors like data collection. Market research projects a 30% annual growth rate in this industry, primarily driven by Asian advancements and companies like Oracle and OBJ. This shows AI's dual role in both disrupting and creating job opportunities. So what does this mean for you? If your job depends on human judgment, emotional intelligence, or complex ethics, AI is unlikely to replace you anytime soon. But the labor market is shifting fast, so staying adaptable is key. Subscribe now to keep up with how AI will shape your career and future.